first.
Hi guys, how are you all? Hi Rishit, what are you doing in school, Rishit?
We just finished the logs. We're having a project,
You're having a project, okay. So then after this, what are you going to do in school?
pre-calc prep.
Oh, pre-calc prep, okay. Okay. Hey, Akshada, were those SAT prepared questions useful, Akshada? Were you able to do?
Yeah, I did them. It was
I
helpful
saw.
for like
What ma? What
it
ma?
was helpful to like practice mixture problems and like solutions.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah.
Okay. And regarding the exponential models and rational models, were you able to do ma?
Is was that the one in the notebook or was that a different assignment?
It was an assignment.
Like was it in the Algebra 2 book?
What ma?
Was it a paper or was it from the book?
It was not from the book, ma.
I think I did it.
Okay. Oh,
I'll check.
okay. Okay, I'm going to bring the book. Yeah, I'll just review some of the logarithms and then go to again more questions, okay, that we would like to try. When are you all taking the SAT exam, guys?
In my sophomore year.
That is next year, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how's your geometry going, Rashid?
So the process is kind of weird. So for UTHS, the enrolling part is like kind of long, so we have to like do some stuff for it. Then we're gonna sign up.
Oh, that means, meaning you're going to take the course or just write the exam?
The course.
So, how long does it run?
We get until July 15th.
The course goes till July 15th, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Okay, let's see. There are some kids that are still coming in. Advait is coming in. Okay. Let's see. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. Let's see. Um, what did we do last class? I do have it. Hold on. Yep. This was on page number. Arush, what are you doing in school?
We're doing like exponential regression.
Oh, I see. Oh, did we discuss? Okay. Okay, how about this, guys? Can you. Let's see this one. Exponential regression. Okay. Okay, change of bases we didn't do. 859. Okay, I see. Okay, how about this? Let's see this one. Change of bases is very important, so let's finish that quickly. It's a small one, right? So, okay, change of base. Okay, did we discuss the properties of logs? Quotient property, product property. Did we discuss that or not? Yes. Okay, change of base. Yeah, I think I would have given you already. Change of base is just the formula, right? So let's say you have log base b of a number a. How do you change it to another base? I'm changing it to log base c. Base is c now. Do you see it? Divided by log base c of the b. See, this comes here, this comes here. Both are in some other base. This is how you change the base. Okay. Now, log base e is written as ln. Log base 10 is written as just log. That is the difference. These two are different functions. E is 2.7, right? Log base 10. So E is the Euler number. Its value is 2.7. So if it is of the base E, then we write it as ln, natural logarithm. These are different functions, that's all. Okay. Base 10 is log, L-O-G. Usually when they write log, it means if you don't have a base, you take it as 10. If you don't have a base, meaning ln, if they say, then that is equal to log base E. Okay. Now let's see this. How about this? Can we expand, simplify? Let's see what we can do for this. Log, you know the product quotient properties, right? So let's see, log 27 minus log 81. Would you be able to simplify this? One second, guys. Log base 3. Would you be able to simplify this? 3 of 27th. Wow, that's an easy one. Let's try. Let's do some weird problems with logs as well, okay? Are you able to do that? Yeah, I got the answers. Let's see. Advait, that's correct. Nice, Advait. Akshada, not really, ma'am. Shrikar, that's correct. Subhi, that's right. Krishiv, good job. Arush, good job. So, Akshada, see here, ma. This can be written as log base 3, 3 power of 3 minus log base 3, 3 power of 4, right? any power can be written like this, right? 3 log 3 base 3 minus log 3 base 3 4. Now this one by properties of log is a 1. So 3 times 1 minus 4 times 1 is a minus 1. Okay, let's try this one. So we should be able to simplify anything given. How about this one? This one you are going to try, okay? Okay, let me see this one. This one is a little difficult. Let's see. Okay, population in 2012 is equal to 313.9 million. Okay, increases exponentially. Okay, how long will it take for the population to double? How long will it take for the population to double? So I'll leave it here. I'm going to see what you're going to use, how you're going to do. If you don't know, I'll definitely help. Okay, and let me also state that the population increases exponentially at the rate of 1% per year. So just let me know.
Can we use a calculator?
Should you? Yeah, you can. You can use a calculator, but I want to know how you're doing it though.
Okay.
It's a little difficult. Let me see. These are nice questions. Okay, we'll do these. Are you able to do? Shrikar, are you able to get the answers? Akshada, not really Akshada. Not really Rishita. Are you getting that exactly? That doesn't seem right to me. I have to do it and see. I feel now. I don't know, guys. Let's see. None of the answers seem right till now. Maybe the book answer is incorrect. I am seeing Subi and Rishit got the same answer. So let's see. So population is so. What is the equation you all used? Starting population time 1 plus r power t. Is this what you used?
That's what I used.
Okay. Rishit, did you use the same thing?
Yeah.
Double means 2 PO, right?
No, but to plug it into the calculator, I just use the normal equation. Then I just saw how long it took to double.
Oh, let's see. I feel like 70 is also incorrect per the book, but let's see. Okay, so here I need to calculate t, right? If I want to calculate t, r is already 0.01. So 2 is equal to 1.01 power t. So basically what I would do, how did you plug it to the calculator? Did you convert to logarithms? Did you convert to logarithms, Rishit?
No, I just put the normal equation in.
You put the normal equation into your calculator
Yeah.
as two functions or one function?
No, so look, the original equation, which I plugged in, was 3.1, 3.9, parentheses 1.01 to the power of x. And then I pretty much just went to the table to see how many full years it took to double.
I am not using that at all. I'm really surprised though. So let's see, wait. It's going to double. So if I put 2 PO, okay, how did you do, Subi? Did you have to substitute that 313.9?
Yeah. I solved it like myself and then I put in like the log part into my calculator.
Why can't we do this? We don't put the 313.9 at all because twice the original population means I'm going to put P as 2P0. P0 is the initial population. Why can't I put like that? I'm just asking you guys. That will also work, right? Let's see. Let's see, guys. Arush, did you get it?
I got
Arush?
69.66.
Okay, so you all got it right. That's interesting. Okay, just 1 second. I'm going to do it and see. Hold on. X-min, X-max. I don't want X-min. Let me put it as... I am okay with a 0. X-max is... I'll put maybe 100. Population is... so what is... These two are... 2. Okay. Y-min... XSCL is, let's say, 4 maybe. XSCL is 4. Y-min is Y-min is 0 is enough. Y-max is... Oh. 1 second, guys. Okay, window, let me set it. Y-min, Y-max is 5 is enough. 0.05 graph. Okay, calc, intersect, this should... Yeah, 69.660717. Is that what you got? Okay, so did you did you get to use this? Did you use this number, any of you? You don't need to use it at all, right? Subi, did you use that number?
Yeah, I used the number.
Arush, did you use the number?
I mean, I did, but I really could have done it without it.
Yeah,
Like,
you could
I
have
didn't
done
actually.
without it. Yeah, you don't have to use it at all because see, twice the original population, when you substitute that in here, this is completely going to get cancelled. You see, two p zeros will get cancelled. So this is your equation. So you can plug in 1.01x as one of the function and then the other function is 2. So y1 you can type it in the calculator as this and y2 you can type it as 2. The intersection of these two is your answer. Shrikar, did it make sense to you? Shrikar,
Yeah,
did it make sense?
yeah. I put my answer in, didn't
Yeah, but did you use that number 313?
I? No, it was double, right? So I just put 2 in.
Okay, nice. Nice, Shrikar. Okay, let's see. Kriship, did you get that?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little, where did you not get?
It's just I need more practicing.
Oh, in this? Okay, okay. Okay, let's see, ma. Let's see. Let's do a few more problems that are not in the book, okay? Let me go ahead and give you some of them that I have. Yeah, I saw, I wanted to do some logarithms, right? Yeah, this was good. Yeah, this is a good one actually. Oh wow, okay. Do you think you can do this? Let's see. E power of 2 ln 5. Can you simplify? E power of 2 ln 5. E power of 2 ln 5. Simplify. See, I am seeing this ln and e are just the inverse functions. So, how will you simplify that? Oh, it's interesting. E and ln will get off, right? Because they are inverse functions. So let me see how you do. Akshada, that's right, ma. Arush, that's right. I'll wait for the others. Okay, let's see this one. We'll see whether you all remember all these. Go ahead. I want to do a few more problems in logs, but I'll come back, guys. Go ahead. Did you simplify? Rishit, did you? Yeah, Shrikar, that's right. Subi, that's right. Rishit, that's right. Krishiv, that's right. Nice. Advait, did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, this, you can push it up, right? It's whatever is in front is a power, right? E power of 2 ln 5 square. I'm sorry, the 2 goes off up there, right? Ln 5 square. Now e power of ln, this is 1 actually. So now this can be written as basically how do you write this? 5 square, right, times 1. So this would be 25. Let me move on. How about this? There is a polynomial, okay? I'm just detouring to polynomials, okay? P of x will be equal to x cube minus kx square plus 5x minus 6. This is perfectly divisible by x minus 2. What is the value of k? Let's see. Try, guys. Are you able to do, guys? Do you need help? Is it? I don't know. Okay, what question was it? Oh, this one is really good. This one is a tricky question as well. Let's see this one. It's a logarithmic question. So first let me do this one for you. What did we do? Okay, let's do a few of that. Arush, did you get it?
The first one or the second one?
Both.
I just started the second one.
Okay, Rishit, that's correct for the first one. Subi, that's correct for the first one. Arush, that's not right. Akshata, not right. Shrikar, did you solve that?
I think I got it. I'm just gonna type it in.
Okay.
I changed my answer.
Not really, Akshata. Something is wrong, right, Akshata? Want me to try? Shrikar, did you do? Arush, how did you do, Arush?
I think I got like the last number wrong. So
Ah,
yeah.
1 minus k, 5 minus 6, right? Synthetic division is your friend. Remainder theorem. It uses remainder theorem. If it is completely divisible by x minus 2 means what? So it will be 2. So this would be 2 minus k. And this would be what? 4 minus 2k, then we need to add, right? 9 minus 2k, 18 minus 4k, then you add, right? 12 minus 4k, correct? Yep. So 12 minus 4k is 0. What happens? 12 is equal to 4k. Why it is 0? Because if it is completely divisible, right, the remainder that you get is 0. That is why I'm equating to 0. So k is a 3. Shrikar, do you remember this?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I move on? Okay, who solved the next one? That was a difficult one. Log 2 base 10 is A. Log 3 base 10 is B. Express log 15 base 10. Rishit, are you doing?
I couldn't read the bottom one.
In terms of A and B. Now you're able to read this?
Yeah.
That's a tricky question though. But not hard. Try. If you need help, you have to let me know. Did you get it? Or anybody got it? Did you get it or should I solve, guys?
I
You do.
sent it.
What is it, Ma?
I sent an answer, but I'm not sure.
Okay, let's see. Not really. Shrikar, did you understand that question, Shrikar, the previous one?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Krishiv, did you understand the previous question? Polynomial is completely divisible?
Yeah.
Okay. Now coming to this, right, it's a little tricky. Subi, did you understand how to solve this one, this current one?
Not really.
15 can be, see, you have to express 15 as 2 and 3. How to express 15 as 2 and 3? 5 times 3 is what I know. Then that log expression is solvable. But the other way to do this is log base 10 30 by 2. So if you express it, it is division, right? So you can do it like this, right? Minus log 10 2. Right? Now, what I can do about 30? What I can do about 30? So 3 and 2 has to come, right? 10 times 3 I can do. When I think about it, this can be written as 10 times 3, right? So from here, let me write it down here. So this is the way to do. So now again, multiplication property, meaning product property, right? So this one plus log base 10 of 3 minus log base 10 of 2. This and this you have. A and B you have. This is A, this is B, this is 1. So I can write it out as 1 plus B minus A. Make sense? These are tricky questions, guys, okay? Because see, once you finish your exponents and logs, you'll have to get to these as well. Okay, can I move on? Okay, now let's see. We'll do more. Mostly I'll be doing this polynomials, rationals, logarithms, exponents. Let's see more. What other questions I can ask more? Let's see. This asset question I wanted to ask you. Hold on. So, yeah, this one. Let's see this one. How about this? I need to work this out, but I want you to try working it out. Okay, is it too small, guys? Is it too small? Yes or no? You're able to read, huh?
No, it's too small.
Okay, thanks. Chemist has 10 liters of 20% acid solution. Is this better, Rishit?
Yeah, thanks.
How many liters of pure acid must be added? It's a good one actually. These are all to create 50% acid solution. These are all algebra question, but becomes a part of SAT prep. Let's see. Try to do this one. This is based on, you know what is this based on? This is based on rational functions. You get it? You get it? I have 5 answers. Arush, Akshada got it. Subi got it. Krishiv, that is not correct.
Can you
Rishabh,
explain this?
yeah,
I'm like stuck. Can you explain this?
yeah, sure. So here, a chemist has 10 liters. So this mixture problem is always you have to compare. Suppose if it is saline solution, you have to compare the amount of salt. If it is acid solution, you have to compare the amount of acid. So basically, what he is doing, he's mixing 10 liters with pure acid. So some liters of pure acid he needs to combine. So the total volume is, suppose let's say this is x liters of acid and 10 liters of 20% acid. So this is one solution, this is completely acid. So the total volume is 10 plus x basically. The total volume of the solution is 10 plus x. So what is he basically doing? The chemist is mixing 10 liters. So how much of acid is present in this? 10 liters of 20% acid means 20% of the 10 liters is acid. So 1/5 of the 10 liters is acid. Now that is combining it with pure acid. Pure acid is 100% acid it has, right? So 100% of that X solution is getting added. Now the volume becomes 100 plus X, but the amount of acid present in that final volume is 50%. So 50% of that is acid. So for that, what is he combining? He's combining 10 liters of 20% acid solution. So this solution will have this much acid, 20%, 1/5 of the 10. 1/5 of the 10 is 2 liters of acid in this solution combines with, we don't know, this is X, that will get you 1/2 of 100 plus X. Anybody who did not understand this? Rishit, did you get what is this?
Yeah.
Okay, so now then it becomes very easy. So X by 2 will be equal to 40. What did you all get? You got something very different, I feel. What did you all get?
I think you put 100 by 100 instead of 10 when solving.
Tell me, ma.
I think you put 100
Oh,
plus
yes, ma. Thank you. Where, ma? In the right side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. So basically, when I did that, this is, see, here it's not 10 plus x, right? So I don't know why I copied as 100 plus x. Total volume is 10 plus x. So this will be 5. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so basically x minus x by 2 is x by 2. 5 minus 2 is a 3. Okay, 5 minus 2 is a 3. Okay. So x will be equal to 6. So what I need to do is I have to add 6 liters of pure acid to the 10 liters of 20% acid solution to get a 50% acid solution. Make sense? Krishiv, did you understand the equation?
Yeah.
Okay, good. How about, let me go ahead and give you a few more. I wanted to give you a function composition question. Let me see. Because function composition is such an important piece. Okay, do you remember how to simplify the complex number expression 3 plus 4i by 2 minus i? 3 plus 4i by 2 minus i. 3 plus 4i by 2 minus i. Do you know how to simplify this? Were you able to simplify? Krishu, was that answer for this one?
Yeah.
Okay, I know what you did. I don't think you should do that, right? Because you cannot split these. You cannot split these. You have to multiply by their conjugates, right? multiply this by the conjugate. 2 minus I should be multiplied with 2 plus I. 3, whatever
Yeah.
you do in the denominator and the numerator. Now this boils down to multiplication of complex expression. This is A
Yeah.
plus B. Yeah, ma?
Yeah.
क्यों क्या लग
What
रहा
is
है
it?
खाओगे चाट खाओगे नहीं तो आइसक्रीम का प्लान कर रहा था
Okay, shall we go ahead? So, do you know how to multiply this? Let me see, guys. I'll wait. Arush, you got this. Let me see whether it is right. First, let me check the answer and then I'll do. 1/5. That doesn't seem right, Arush. That is correct, Shrikar. Arush, you want to check? Akshada, that's not right. Complex expression seems hard. Can you check, guys? That's not correct. Shrikar, that was right though. Did you get it? Yeah, Akshada. That seems right, Akshada. Yeah, Arush, that seems right. So here, let me do it for those who did not understand. You need to multiply, guys. A plus B, A minus B formula is A square minus B square, right? So denominator is done. Here I'll multiply 3 with this, 3 with this. So 6 plus 3i. Then what will I do? I'll go ahead and use the next one to multiply. What will I do? 4i with this and this, right? So that becomes 8i plus 4i square. I square is a minus 1, remember. So I'll be substituting that. 6 plus 11i, then minus 4, because I square is a minus 1. So 4 times minus 1 is a minus 4. Now denominator will be 4 minus minus 1. So that will be 2 plus 11i by 5. That boils down to 2 by 5. Only when you have a single number in the denominator, you can split like this, Krish. 2 by 5 plus 11 by 5i. So complex numbers are always expressed in the format a plus bi. Any questions? Hey Jaya, your class time is different, right, Jaya? Jaya? Okay, did you get this? Okay. Now let's go ahead. Yeah, complex number seems hard on you guys. Okay, this is not this one. Let me see. You know what? It's still spinning. Okay, give a minute. Now I'll switch on to some more logarithms. Okay, how about this? Okay, let's see this one. Let me write it down for you, this question. Okay, I'm going to write this question for you. Please, let's do it, guys. This one is more onto logarithms, okay? Football game is 25 times game is 25 times as great as when the home team scores a touchdown as it is. When the away team scores. Okay, find the difference in the loudness of the sound. Find the difference in the Loudness of sound. Then the two teams score. Oh, this is a good one. Let's do this one, guys. You're able to see this, right? So as great as. Do you need any other information? Let me see. Okay, 1 second, guys. Let me check if you need anything else. Yeah, you need more information right here. Okay. Let's see, guys. Give me a minute. Okay. So let me give this to you. 10 log I by IO. Okay. Represents the loudness. This is given. Okay. Loudness is given by this. I will be equal to the intensity of sound. I0 will be equal to reference intensity. This is not a hard one. Let's try. Okay, let's try that one. This is in decibels. This many decibels is loudness. Decibels, right? BELS. Try this one. 1 is 25 times greater means how? What is the difference in their loudness? Shrikar, that's nice to see your last answer. Let's see, this is an easy one. Let's see this one. Okay, let's try a few. Let's try a few word problems as well. Did you get it? Hey, did you get it or do you want me to do? You have to let me know, guys. I didn't receive any answer on that.
Priya, I don't get it.
Okay.
Me too.
No problem. Okay. We are doing harder problems as well. So But this is literally related to logarithms and is one of the book problems. But the other day in the other class we had a SAT problem like this, same logic that we did. So here the intensity of sound from the stands of a football game is 25 times greater, as great as when the home team scores. So when the home team scores, it is 25 times greater, right? So basically the loudness for both the teams is defined by this, okay? But the sound this I value for the home team, let's say IO, this is the reference, right? So now this I alone will differ for both the teams, okay? I don't know what is that, okay? I'll call it X, okay? This is the this is the intensity for home team. If I put X as the intensity for home team, right? Now the loudness, if it is the home team, would be 10 log, its home team is much more, 25, this is not for the home team, this is for the away team. Away team is X, means for the home team it is 25X by I0, right? Similarly, this is for the home team, okay? So loudness for the away team is what? X, right? Their intensity is X by I0. Now you have to find the difference between these two, right? So I'll take 10 common and I'll put log 25x by I0 minus log x by I0. Okay, in this case, how to do this? This is again properties of logarithms you can use. You have to condense them. They are in subtraction, right? What I can do, I can go ahead and divide them. 25x by I0, then I can divide. Divide means when I divide it will become x by I0. But I can change it to multiplication and put I0 by x. Correct? So what happens? This and this get cancelled, this and this get cancelled. So now that becomes 10 log 25. Now use the calculator, that will be the difference. 10 log 25 is 13.98. That is the difference. So that many decibel is the difference. Make sense? Who did not understand this? So what we did was, intensity of noise for the away team we kept it as X. So intensity of noise for the home team will be 25X, right? So that we substituted into their equation. Loudness for the home team will be 25X by I0. Loudness for the away team will be X by I0. Now you have to subtract these two. When I subtract these two, I took 10 as common. Then I saw that log was, you were subtracting the logs. Then I can change the numbers only to division. 25x by I0 divide by x by I0. Instead of dividing, I changed it to multiplication and flipped it. When I flipped it, everything got cancelled excluding 25. So answer is 10 log 25. Put it in the calculator, you'll get 13.98. Can I move on? Okay. Let's do a few more. I don't know whether you will be able to do this one. 1 second, guys. This is a good one. Okay, this is again a percentage based problem. Okay. Yeah. This is a percentage based problem, let's say. 1 second, guys. I'm not able to. Okay, why don't I increase it here itself and send this to you? How about this? You can do this. Okay, how about this? Can you do this one for me? The intensity, loudness intensity is a very famous question. Okay, they'll give earthquakes and stuff. Go ahead and do this one. A chemical liquid mixture contains 15% alcohol. So the amount of alcohol you will be equating. If 4 gallons of pure water does not contain alcohol at all, so 0% of pure water is alcohol. 4 gallons of pure water was added to 16 gallons of this mixture. What is the new percentage of alcohol in the solution? That's a tricky question. Let me know if you need help. These are just revision, guys. More of a revision. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay, I'm going to wait and see. If you don't know, I'll do. Please let me know if you don't know. Oh my gosh. Let me know if you didn't get it, please, guys. Did you do? Let me know if you need help. Please shout out loud. These are the classes where you can ask.
Can I use a calculator?
Yes, you can on this. But do you need to? I don't know. Maybe. But you're given a calculator in the entire SAT exam. So I'm really okay. Did you get it, guys, or can I do? You are going to tell me, please.
I answered.
Yeah, I saw. 3.7 or 3.7 seems incorrect. Akshada, that is correct, ma. Subi has given 12%. Let me see, I don't know. I'm really confused. Honestly, I'm confused. I don't know what is wrong about it, but something is wrong for sure. I'm checking, guys. Yeah, somebody got it right. Subi got it right. Rishit correct. Krishiv correct. Oh, wow, guys. Shrikar correct. Okay. So let me quickly do this. I think a couple of you didn't get right. So a chemical liquid contains 15% alcohol. Okay, that mixture contains 15% alcohol. Okay, 4 gallons of pure water is added to the mixture. So 4 gallons of pure water is added to the mixture. So amount of alcohol present in it is what? 0% of that 4 is alcohol. Okay, coming to the mixture, right? It's a 15% alcohol. So it is 15 by 100. But that mixture has 16 gallons. So this much, 15% of that 16 is alcohol. So that will be equal to the new solution. How many gallons are there? There are 20 gallons. We want to find out the amount of alcohol in it. That gives you the percentage, right? So here this is completely 0. So this one is 15 times 16 by 100 will be equal to 20 times x by 100. So please don't sit and multiply and stuff. So this is very easy to do. 4 4s are 16, 5 3s are 15, x will be equal to 12. So it's 12%. Any questions? Can we stop here? Okay, quick question, guys. I will give you, meaning there will be very few pages in the book for homework, but at the same time, can I give you these type of questions for you to keep revising on what we have already learned? Okay, I'll give you this type of questions, some 50 questions. How many ever you do, okay, for that amount, that much of prep you can reduce in when you prepare for your SAT, or you don't have to prepare, you have too many things going on. So do those problems whenever you have time. This one from the book, I'll give you few pages, 4 or 5 pages. If you've already done, great. If you have not done, please do the book homework. Okay, any questions? Any questions? Okay, guys, we'll see you all next week. Have a nice week ahead.
Bye, Miss Priya. Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, guys. Um, Jaya, your class is this, right, Jaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. But were you able to understand the algebra 2 part of it?
Yeah, for a bit I understood the log part. I understood it.
Okay, okay. I just wanted to know what you have done earlier. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
I
we
just.
had the final test today for like all the topics.
Mm-hmm.
We finished all the topics now. I'm not sure what they'll do.
In geometry?
Yeah, so they said they have one more project for us, and that project is gonna count as a grade and give us some extra points, just like the way to end off the year in a good stead.
Great. But did they cover probability fully?
They didn't do probability yet.
But you're learning geometry, right?
Yeah, they haven't done probability.
So all the topics are done?
Yeah.
No. You need to study probability, okay? Because see, probability is an important part of your SAT exam. You're in which ISD? Copella?
Well,
Oh wow, let me ask my, because see, I did not get this info from our own classmates who are studying geometry. But probability is such an important part of geometry, meaning it is under the curriculum. I know, see, I know that probability was not a part of old geometry. Okay, the new curriculum has probability as a standard, but you won't have a standardized test. You got it, huh? Meaning they don't test you on the benchmarks, meaning only the school gets to test you on geometry. Like algebra 1, it is a state level test, right? Like that, you don't have one for geometry. So nobody is going to ask you whether you know geometry or not at the state level. However, when you come sit for the SAT exam, you'll have to be prepared for probability. You see what I mean? Because it's a part of benchmark of geometry. Got it?
mhm. Yeah.
Okay, so we'll go through probability very well. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, sorry. Sometimes when I'm traveling and all, I just say sorry, sorry. We will meet later. Okay. Yeah. Anytime. See, Friday afternoons I'm free. See the welcome email. Okay. So let me know if you want to talk as well. Now tell me what is it?
Yeah, actually, I want to know, class will start by 17, am I right, ma'am?
Class will start by 7:10. Correct.
Yeah, because of first, fortunately, by mistake, you put the 6 p.m. to 7 p.m.
Sorry. I know. That is why you
Yeah,
keep on coming. Absolutely no problem. That's why I thought first I told him. Then I felt like, okay, let him understand whatever he understands.
yeah. Last week I saw, then because of maybe times is this one, daylight saving, you changed it might be. Last week, I want to confirm for that.
No,
Last
no.
week,
Daylight savings will not change our times at all.
Yeah, the thing
Okay.
happened after that. Might be that is the
Yeah, the
mistake.
first day I put it out to you incorrectly as 6 to 7. Okay.
One more thing. He is not. I'm asking. Basically, I heard ma'am will give more worksheets, more practice sheets, but he is saying always every week, mom, I don't have any work submit. I checked in the Google Classroom also. What he want to do the entire week, he's not doing. Yeah, I already finished everything. He's saying like that.
Oh, are you done, Amma, Jaya?
Yeah, ma'am. I finished the worksheets that you gave me on the day itself.
Okay. Did you go through the unit reviews of geometry? Okay, let me
Yeah,
show you. Huh?
yeah.
Ma'am, can you show me one? Sorry
Yeah,
if
yeah,
you
yeah.
don't.
I'm going to. Hold on. You know, Pratika didn't come because she passed geometry. See, today kids are taking a break. When they complete the test there, they're taking. Hold on. 1 minute, huh?
Mm-hmm.
1 minute. 1 second, Amma. Um, 1 second. 1 second. Okay, so you wanted classroom, right? Let me show you the classroom. Sorry, guys. Give a minute, guys. Okay, let me show his
Yeah,
mom. His mom has been
ma'am.
asking us.
Yeah, Sani, will you share the whatever
No,
the
right away. I'm
localized?
going to share. Hold on.
No, ma'am. What I'm trying to say, geometry. Just now you talked with him regarding the probability chapter. I
Yeah.
thought,
Yes.
yeah, he will share the school curriculum, whatever they taught to him. Will you share to ma'am syllabus what they taught to you?
They finished
Amma,
this.
I have the state level syllabus. Okay, I will cover everything. You get it, huh?
No, they gave in the Kopel IST math schoology folder in the math subject. They gave the weekly what they are teaching.
Yeah, share it with me. That really helps me. Okay, but that will be a subset of what we cover in class.
Yeah, yeah. He said sometimes, ma'am ahead, you are ahead than the school
Oh, yeah,
syllabus.
Amma, sequence will not match.
Yes.
The sequence may not match. You got it, huh? Overall, the subjects that they cover, I cover will be exactly the same, and they have to cover Texas benchmarks only. You got it?
Yes. Yeah.
But probability is a part of Texas benchmark. That's new geometry. Texas latest curriculum covers probability. I don't know why the school has not covered. I don't know whether they'll cover.
I thought basics of probability they covered, ma'am. Am I right?
No, he has to know permutations combinations level.
Okay. Yeah.
He has to know dependent independent probability as well.
Yeah, it's okay. Ma'am can
You
listen.
can send it to me. Okay. See, in the classroom, right? If he has completed his homework, right? Are you
Yes.
doing these? See, geometry spiral review, chapter 12, chapter 11, chapter 10, chapter 9, chapter 1, chapter 8, chapter 7, chapter 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you covered that?
No, ma'am. I've been doing the algebra topics in the TEKS because the EOC is coming, so I've been practicing
Oh,
on
so
it.
you're not doing this?
Yeah, I've been doing the algebra ones instead.
Algebra 1 class, huh?
I've been like going to the algebra test site, and then I've just been practicing the tests.
Oh, that is fine. But are you doing this classroom work?
No, ma'am, I'm not sure about these stuff. I only like check in the stream, and when you post them, I do them and submit it there.
Oh, no, right? This one is important, right? This is where you
Okay.
need to see.
Okay, ma'am.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll start probability 1 and 2 we did, right? Today we'll do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got it?
Okay, ma'am.
See, there is a mock test too that tests you for the entire geometry as well.
Okay.
Okay, and then you see the reviews, spiral review 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All the chapters are covered excluding probability.
Mm-hmm.
So what happens in stream is only after you come, whatever get posted here. You have to go to classwork and look at the topics by week.
Okay, ma'am.
You have a lot to do. There is no less amount of work, meaning you will be overwhelmed. That's what I am thinking. You get it? Yeah. So if you want a full revision, you have to go with spiral review 1, 2, 3, 4 for each chapter. Make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear, huh? Okay, now let's get started with geometry. One thing I wanted to tell kids like Avyukt, Diya, Dhruv. There is one kid that passed geometry yesterday.
Oh.
Happy So that provides me confidence, guys, every year. As and when the kids, algebra 2, several of them passed, right? So geometry was waiting for somebody to pass. So yesterday one of the kids passed geometry nicely. I didn't get their detailed score yet, but she did very well. Okay, so let's see, can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you. 1 minute. Yeah. Sai, first of all, you share the geometry syllabus, whatever they gave in the Schoology, share to ma'am by the end of after class also. Okay, ma'am?
Yeah, that you can send it to me, 100% you can send it to me. If there's anything extra, I'll realign, don't worry at all.
No, and weekly wise, whatever they mentioned.
Yeah, every week if you can send, that really helps me to understand what you're learning.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. If he is not, then I will.
Yeah. He will. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
I'll go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, now guys. So geometric probability we have covered. See guys, please do the geometry EOC mock test. There are 2 mock tests, right? That really tells you where you are with geometry. Okay, there are 2 mock tests. There are so many reviews posted. If you do this, it's more than enough. Okay. Now let's go ahead with the probability thing. Okay, I'll stop sharing now. Where is my probability? 1 second, guys. Yeah, I got it. I feel like I'm very fast in that class. I don't know why. Anyway. Okay, let's go ahead with this part. Okay. Have you come across this? Hey, Ananya, what are you doing in school, ma?
I'm learning about volumes.
Oh, they've not come to probability yet?
Yeah, and even then we're not gonna since we do online class, towards the end of the year, since there's algebra 2 EOC testing, I think she's not gonna be on the Zoom, so I don't know if we're gonna learn anything. So
Okay, wait. There are too many questions for me. What? Why you do online class there?
cause we don't have a geometry teacher at our school, so
The entire full year you're learning online at school?
yeah.
How is it? Is it easy?
I mean, most of the material I kind of already know since from your class. And she doesn't outrightedly teach us every single day. She does it probably once or twice a week, and there are videos that we have to watch to be able to understand. And then we do practice, and then we have homework we have to turn in every week. But I mean, overall, it kind of went smoothly. We have tests ever so often. And
okay, what is the name of the school you go to?
Moss Middle School.
Okay. Okay, interesting. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, now you know what I want to go ahead with the probability. Today is April 17th, right? I really want to finish as many as possible. 4. So wait guys, give a minute. Okay, dependent independent probability. Okay, let's see guys, mutually exclusive events. There's a lot. Okay, 4, 5, 6. Let's see how much of it we can cover. If we can cover this week, next week we can revise probability and other chapters where we have holes. Okay, so let's see. Do you all know this one? Do you all know this term, factorial? How many of you do not know? Just please let me know, guys. Make it interactive as well for me. Do you know what is that? Yes, no, anything is okay for me, but please, Diya and Ananya, I want you to be on the video. It's not for me, okay? It's better to be, right? Gives you accountability too, okay? Don't make me ask, guys. If you don't like it, you don't have to. But at the same time, it's important. Whatever class it is, you have to be online. Coming to factorial. So, do you know what is the definition? What is it? Shriya, I'm happy to see you. Do you know factorial, ma Shriya?
Yeah, it's when it's 5 factorial, it's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2.
Yep. I feel like they gave this exclamation mark just because the value is too huge. How about 100 factorial is 100 times 99 times 98 times 97, it goes on and on and on and on till 3, 2, 1. Now, what is 100 factorial by 98 factorial? What is the answer to that?
9,900.
Yep. So it will be 100 times 99 times 98 times 97 times 96 times everything till 1. This is 98 times 97 times 96 till 1. So what happens? These all get cancelled. What I'm left with is 100 times 99. So answer is 9900. What is 5 factorial by 3 factorial? Last week I missed you, right, Shreya? Yep. 5 factorial by 3 factorial.
20.
Yep, 4 times 5. Because, see, basically 5 factorial is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 factorial is 3, 2, 1. Answer is 20. Okay, that is factorial. Okay. Now, let's say I have people. Shreya, have you learned geometry at school?
Yeah, we're about to have our test on the volume and surface area of spheres. We finished the volume and surface area for everything else.
So, where did you learn about factorials?
I don't know. It wasn't in school though.
Oh, you just know?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you do competitions?
No.
Okay. Shreya, what are you learning, ma?
I'm learning probability.
Oh, nice. What have they started with? Geometric probability?
Yeah.
Is that easy?
Yeah, it's pretty easy. We had a quiz on it today.
Oh, nice. Okay. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now, okay. I'm going to pick 2 people. Maybe I'm going to pick 3 people. Okay. 3 people is a much easier way to explain for me. Okay. So now, I'm going to make them stand in a line. I'm going to make them stand in a line and take photographs of the 3 people. Okay. So what are the possible ways I can arrange them? I can put A first and then BC. Or I can put A first and then CB. Now, I can also put B first and then AC. And then I can put B first and say CA. Then I can put C first and then AB. C first and BA. Any questions? So there are 6 possibilities. But if I say I have 4 people, how many you will do, right? It's so hard. I will put A first. Okay, let's say this is 3 people. Now I have A, B, C, D. That's so hard, right? When you think about it, it becomes so hard. First I'll put A. Second I can put B, C, D. Then I can put C, D. The thing is, I can't even draw this diagram. I can't even draw the tree diagram. What I can do is, first I can put A first. Then BCD combination will be 6. BCD combined, I can put 6 different ways, because 3 people means when they combine. See, always here, what is the best takeaway is order is very important. Okay, when the order is very important, here there are 6 ways. Okay, then B first, and then there are 6 ways to arrange A, C, D. Then I'll put C first, and then there are 6 ways to arrange A, B, D. Then there is D first, and then there are 6 ways to arrange A, B, C. So totally there are how many ways you see? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 fours are 24 ways, right? So when the number of people increases, it becomes a pain. Okay, you can't do this as the number grows, because if there are 24 ways, then if there are 5 people, what happens? I'll have A, but number of ways 4 people can combine is 24, because the other B, C, D, E can be arranged in 24 different ways. I can put B first in 24 different ways, C first and then 24 different ways. Why? A, B, D, E can be arranged in 24 ways. D, I'll put him first, and then A, B, C, E can be arranged in 24 ways. E first and 24 ways. See, the number goes on increasing. This is 24 times 5 ways. So when the order is important, it becomes very tough as the number of people I try to order goes on increasing. So as a result, when the order is important, we know what we do. Let's say there is only 2 people. What happens? It can be A, B or B, A. So when there are 2 people, there are 2 ways. When there are 3 people, There are 6 ways. So, what do you think happens here? 2 people, how to arrange 2 people? It's two ways. 3 people, there are 3 ways. Do you see a generic formula for this? 4 people, I have to arrange 4 of them, then 24 ways. What is that? Do you see a general formula that you can arrive at? Do you see a general formula that you can arrive at? See what is going on here. 4 factorial is 4, 3, 2, it's 24. Do you see some general formula coming up? Is there any general formula? See, there are 2 ways in here, 6 ways in here, 24 ways in here. Do you see a general formula coming up? 120 here. Is there a general formula that's coming up? What is the formula? Suppose if there are n people, how many number of ways are there to arrange them in a photo? Tell me, guys. I'm going to wait. You don't see or you see? That's what I want to understand. You see the formula or you don't see the formula? I'm okay with any answer, but please let me know.
There would be factorial of n people.
Yes, n factorial is the answer basically. You have n factorial ways. Okay. You have n factorial ways to arrange if the order is important. Now I am going to pick and poke. Let me tell you. Order is still important, okay? Okay, because AB standing is not the same as BA. Okay. Now, I have 3 people. Pick 2. I have 3 people. I want to pick 2. I have ABC. But I am going to pick only 2 people for the photo. So, I can do AB or BA. Or I can do BC or CB. Or I can do AC or CA. How many ways are there? 6 ways are there. Okay. Now, I have, let's say I have, how many? 2 people. And I want to pick one. I want to pick one person. So, A, B are there. It can be A or B. So, only 2 are there. I have 4 people. Okay. I want to pick 3 people for the photo. So, A, B, C, D are there. I want to pick only 3. So, it can be A, B, C, B, C, D or what? Or it can be A, C, D. Correct? It can be A, B, C. A, B, C can be in 6 ways. Right? Or I can have A, C, D in 6 ways. Or I can do B, C, D in 6 ways. What else I can do? That's all, right?
You can do AB,
or ABD, yeah, ABD, correct, in 6 ways. So there are 24 ways. Wow. But what is this? This is even confusing. First I had n people, I chose n people. Now I am confusing everybody by saying that there are 3 people, I am picking 2. Then there are 6 ways. 2 people, I am picking 1. There are 2 ways. 4 people, I am just picking 3 people for the photo. Then I say there are 24 ways. So here, let's say I have n people. Okay. I am picking only R persons for the photo. In that case, there is a general formula. Based on all these observations, I can come to the general formula. It is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Let's find out whether this is right. 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial. Here it is 6. That's correct. This was the formula, right? Now, 2 people. So, n factorial is 2 factorial by 2 minus 1 factorial is 2. Wow, this is also perfectly working. This one is 4 people, right? 4 factorial by 4 minus 3 factorial. What is that? 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 by 1. So 12, 20, 24. Wow, this is also correct. Any questions, guys? So, I call the number of ways I can arrange people. If the order is important, I call it as permutation. I am permuting this many people. This is the new term. I am doing a permutation of 3 people and choosing only 2. How do I say that? 3, there are n people, I permute and pick r of them. N permute r. So the formula is n permute r is nothing but n factorial by n minus r factorial. Any questions here? Permutation. Yes, Abhyuk, tell me.
What are some words we can use to grab to tell that it's going to be a permutation?
What is it?
So pretend they were like giving a word problem and it was relating with permutations. What are some words that can tell us it's a permutation? We have to use permutation.
They won't tell you that it is permutation. You see, the scenario has to make sure the order is important. Whatever scenario they give, see whether the order is important. Make sense?
Yeah.
I'll tell you here. Tell me if there are 5 people in a class. Okay, in this class, let's consider now, as of now, right? There are 7 participants. Okay, there are 7 of you. 7 people are there. Okay, I have to pick a president and a vice president. President, vice president. Do you think the order is important or not? I have to pick 2 people. Okay, pick 2 because then only they can be president or. So, is the order important? Why? I'm going to pick 2 of them to be the president and vice president. But is the order important? Yes, the order is important. Why? Shreya, you're muted and you're talking. How can I know?
Because one person can be like the vice president and the other person can be the
exactly. President. Let's say Shreya and Ananya come up. Okay, in the picking, Shreya and Ananya come up. Shreya can be the president, Ananya can be the vice president. Okay, but that combination is not the same as Shreya being president and Ananya being vice president. Meaning the other way. You see, Shreya's president, Ananya's vice president is not the same as Shreya being vice president and Ananya being president. So those 2 combinations are not the same. So order in which you pick is as well important here. You see, so in how many ways you can do that? 7 permute 2, 7 factorial by 5 factorial, it's 42 ways. Any questions? Any questions? Nothing? Let's see. Okay. Okay. How about you want only on permutations? Huh? Okay, hold on. 1 second, guys. I really need a little bit of time. Give me a minute. Okay. You can do the problems. No. Let's see. Okay. Let me go ahead to your classroom. I don't see your classroom. Okay. Geometry, Sundays, yes. Okay, how about this? Okay, now let me go ahead and ask you these questions. You are going to think and then do the work. Do this one. I'll wait, guys. If you don't understand, I'll help you. Tell me. Do you get it? Oh, you're not seeing it. Are you seeing it? Guys, you have to let me know if you're not seeing it. Auntie, I'm not seeing.
Yeah, we can see it now.
Yeah, now, okay, I realized it by myself. I got one answer. Not really. Not really. Jaya. Guys, did you get the answer? I'm just waiting to understand whether you knew or you don't know.
I sent you my answer.
Yeah. A couple of them I got. Hey, Dhruv, you're almost right, Dhruv, but there is something incorrect. Yeah, that's right. Shreya was right. Dhruv, how did you get a 60? Yeah, Dhruv, correct. Dhruv and Shreya got it right. Yeah, Jaya, that's right. Avyukt, correct. Very nice. What did you get, Shreya? Oh, yeah, you got it. Shreya and Shreya are different. That's what I'm saying. Okay, great. 30 is the answer. If you didn't get it, you have to rise up now. Okay.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you explain?
Yeah, I will. Okay. If there are 6 horses in a race, right? There are 6 horses and you need only first place winners and second place winners, right? So it is N permute R, right? 6 horses are there, but you want to pick up only 2 of them. The order is important, right? First place, horse 1 getting first place, horse 2 getting the second place is different from horse 2 getting the first place and horse 1 getting the first place. Like that, you can continue with H3, H4, H5, H6, right? So 6 permute 2. 6 factorial by 6 minus 2 factorial. So that will be 5 times 6, 30. Make sense? Other way, I'll tell you another easy way of looking at it, okay? You just need the first place and the second place. This is another way of looking at it, okay? It gives you a different perception. You can find, this is how the competition math will work, okay? People who are into competitions, math competitions, right? They work this way. First place, second place. There are only 2 places, right? In the first place, I can put any horse. I can put horse 1, horse 2, horse 3, horse 4, horse 5, horse 6. Any one horse I can put. So there are 6 possibilities for it. So let's say horse 1. It's like drawing a diagram. Horse 3, horse 4, horse 5, horse 6. Anyone can come in the first place. If horse 1 comes first, what are the possibilities for the second place? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Similarly, 2 comes first. Then again you have chances of 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like that, for the second place there are 5 possibilities, given that 1 is already taken here. So now you multiply all of them. Multiply all of them means this is 5, 5, 5. So there are 6 of this, 6 times 5. It is 30. That is the other way of doing it. Make sense? Okay. So 2 ways, okay? You can do it in 2 ways, okay? Now, I'm going to give you this. Let me see. These are meaning will make you think. Since you're doing it for the first time, will make you think, but it's not hard. Try this one. Done? Is it difficult? If it's difficult, you have to immediately let me know. Don't waste time thinking about it.
I don't really get this. Can you explain it, please?
Sure, why not? Okay, I'll give you clues. 3 boys and 3 girls are there. Okay, let's consider the 3 boys and 3 girls. Okay, they have to sit in chairs, right? Put the 6 chairs. Okay, they are saying that the boys must sit in the first 3 chairs. So how many possibilities for the first chair? How many possibilities are there for the first chair?
6.
Yeah, 6. 6. No, they've given a constraint, right?
Is it 3?
3, because only there are 3 boys. Okay, 1 boy is sitting there. What happens? How many possibilities for this chair and this chair?
2 and 1.
Yep, this one?
3.
Yeah. And then?
2, 1.
So now how many number of ways are there? 6. 3 times 2 times 1 times 3 times 2 times 1. What is this? 36 ways. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Now I'm going to give you another. Let's see. Guys, please try. Okay, this is all fun. Probability is really fun. Even I learn. Meaning, many a time what happens, I learn. Sometimes I make silly mistakes. Probability is all fun. $36 was right. Mama, please. Okay. Oh, nice. Probability is asked. Very nice. See, probability means it has to be a fraction less than 1. If they ask for probability, then it is the number of favorable ways by the number of total ways. Remember that. If they ask for the number of ways they can be arranged, it has to be a whole number greater than 1. You will have to remember that and see what they are asking. When they ask for probability, make sure your answer is less than 1. Done, guys? I really think if we can quickly go over. I did not even do combinations yet. Shreya, good job, ma'am. Not really, Shreya. Avyukt, very nice. Jaya, I told you, right? Just now I told you. They did not ask you for number of ways. They are asking for probability. Diya, correct, ma'am. So be careful what they ask. Shreya, correct. So Ellie and Mia, along with 30 other people, sign up for an audition for a talent show. Contestants are called at random to perform for the judges. Okay, what is the probability that Ellie would be asked to perform first and Mia second? Okay, how many number of ways? Meaning how many number of ways are there to pick 2 people? First of all, Ellie and Mia should get picked. Okay, for Ellie and Mia to get picked, it is what? 30 factorial by 28 factorial, which is 29 times 30. Wait, 30 people sign up.
Wouldn't it be 32? Because there's 32.
Oh, see, 32. Correct, ma. 32 by 30, huh? Yeah, 32. I did not read it, see. 32 by 30. So 32 times 31, which is 992, is the total number of ways 2 people can be picked up. Okay, but Ellie coming first and Mia coming second, there is only one way. Favorable way is only one way out of 992 ways. So the answer to this is probability is 1 by 992. Can I move on?
Priya, how would it be 30 factorial, like 32 over 30 factorial?
Because 30 factorial by 32 factorial. Wait ma. Let me write it correctly. You are having 32 people. You are permuting 30.
Yeah, but wouldn't after like if Ellie got called to go first, like there would be 31, like there would be like 31, like.
Hey, 1 minute ma. Permute 2 ma. What is going on with me? 1 minute ma. Permute 2. You're only picking 2, right? So this is 32 minus 2 factorial. What is it you're asking?
Wait, no,
Makes sense? Yeah, I was I was in a hurry explaining, so I made a mess. Okay, can I move on? Okay, now let's see. Yeah, I want to challenge you, but at the same time, I want to finish combinations. Okay, so arrangement is not important. Let's say arrangement is not important. Okay, suppose let's say ABC. Okay, ABC dishes are there. Okay, there are 3 options. Okay, I want to pick 2. I can only eat 2 at a restaurant. I'm allowed to pick only 2, but they have 3 options. Does not matter, right? Whether I pick AC or CA, they both are considered the same. If I pick AB or BC, it's considered, BA, it's considered the same. Or if you pick AB, AC, BC or CB, they are both the same. Order is not important. I am just getting 2. These are 3 dishes. I can pick only 2 of the dishes for my dinner. Okay, so basically there are only 3 ways. If the order was important, there were 6 ways for this. Order was important, what did we do? N factorial by n minus r factorial. But order is not important here. The duplicates should be removed. What are the duplicates? AC and CA are duplicates. Here order is not important at all. If I pick AC, A first, C second, C first or A second, doesn't matter, right? I pick 2 dishes AC, that's all. So here order is not important. That is called combinations. Okay. Now, how do I write combination? N choose R. However, this is not the formula here because I need to remove the duplicates. Here, see what I am doing. I am dividing everything, that's 6, whatever I got, n factorial by n minus r factorial in permutation, whatever I got, I divided by 2 factorial. What is it? I divided by that r factorial. To remove my duplicates, I have to divide by r factorial. Then only I'll get the number of a's. These 2 are duplicates. These 2 are duplicates. So here I was picking 2, so I divided by 2 factorial. So here 3 factorial divided by 3 minus 2 factorial. But then if the order is not important, I will also divide by 2 factorial. So how many ways are there? 3 ways are there. Do you see it? Combinations work a little differently by removing the duplicates. Did you all get it? Does that make sense? Duru, did you get it?
Yeah, I could.
So n permute r is n factorial by n minus r factorial. Order is important. Okay. Combinations is where order is not important. N factorial by n minus r factorial. But there are duplicates, so you remove them by dividing by r factorial. Here order is not important. Any questions? Okay. Let me go ahead and show you. You're going to find answers to this. Okay, I'm going to give you a series of questions. Okay, you can do one. You can send the answers to me. 1 probability question, 1 number of ways question. Please remember what is to see what is asked. It's so important to know. Go ahead. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to change that. Oh my god, how did I change? Yeah. Do give me the answer, guys. Send the answer to me. If you're confused, let me know as well. But please analyze what is what. Then only it'll come, it'll work correctly. Um, okay. Yeah, Avyuk, that's correct, but the second one is not correct, Avyuk. Dhruv, both are correct. Shreya, both are correct. I'll wait, guys. You try. Okay, I want each of you to try, please. It's not like, oh, you can just keep quiet in the class and move away if you don't know. No, right? That's not how the class works. It's okay to say, I don't know. Avyuk, that's right, Avyuk. Ananya, same problem like Dhruv. Okay, there is one mistake. I don't know what you guys are doing. Let's quickly see. At Chili House Diner, select 3 out of 5, right? Here it is combinations. So 5 choose 3. 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial first. 5 minus 3 factorial, then you have the 3 factorial. So it is 5 factorial by 3 factorial times 2 factorial. So this one would be 5 by 3 factorial will be 4 times 5 divided by 2. So that will be 10. Okay. Second one, a marching band is divided into squads of 8 musicians. Each squad is required to select a head and an assistant squad leader. Okay. So, Andy and Matthew are in one of the squads. It's divided into squads of 8 musicians. Okay. The positions are decided at random. What is the probability that Andy and Matthew are selected as leaders? So, first of all, from the 8, they're only selecting see, the question is asking Andy and Matthew are selected as leaders. What did you guys do? Did you all do permutation or combination? So the total number of ways is 8 choose 2. If they are leaders, I would only choose 8 choose 2. I will not put permute because okay. One second, guys. What did you all do? Shreya, what did you do? Did you choose or permute? Did you permute or combine? Hey, whoever has the answer got it correct, but how did you do? I'm asking.
I did like 8 people, right? And then I just did 8 times 7, 56. And then so it's 2 out of 56 because it's to 2 leaders. So 2 out of 56 equal to 1 out of 28.
Oh, nice. Okay. So 2 leaders. So what did you do? 8 times?
7.
Okay, so yeah, 8 times 7, 56. Great. 56 total ways, right? What are the favorable ways? How many favorable ways are there? It's probability they are asking. Probability of Andy and Matthew. So how many favorable ways are there?
2.
To why? Andy can be the head, Matthew can be the assistant head. Or Matthew can be the head and Andy can be the assistant head. There are 2 ways, right? Now 2 out of 56 is 1 by 28. Any questions? Any questions? You know what? This is permute. If I'm right, this is permute. Okay, one thing is, see, if you take it as leaders, right? You can, okay. What I would do here is, see, 8 permute 2 divided by 8 permute 2 is the total number of ways if you take, right? 8 permute 2. Here you are considering Andy being the leader and Matthew being the assistant leader is not the same as Matthew. You're considering it like that. Either you can consider it like that. Then there are 2 ways for the 2 to be selected. 2 favorable ways are there. One, Andy Matthew pair or Matthew Andy pair. Okay, this is one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is through combinations. Okay, they are selected as leaders means only one possibility. Andy Matthew, Matthew Andy. It's just one number of favorable event divided by 8 choose 2. There it will be 8 factorial by 6 factorial, and then 8 minus 6 factorial is 2 factorial. So that would be, give me 1 second, guys. 6, 7, 8 by 2. So that would be 7 4s are 28. So 1 by 28. Either use combination in both numerator denominator or use permutation in both numerator denominator. You will just be fine. Don't mix and match. I would definitely go with this way only. Okay, you can use combination, but just don't confuse both. If you use permutation combination in the numerator, you should use permutation combination in the denominator. Okay, let's get going. Maybe one of the questions will solve. How about this? Okay, how about this? Do this one. Just send the answers to me. Let me know, guys. Done? Did you guys get it? I got 4 answers. 1 second, guys. I missed. I'm checking. Okay. This is on probability. Every time you have to consider whether it is probability or combinations. I'm sorry, permutation or combinations. So, what did you do? You worked on this. Yeah, that's correct. Jaya, that's correct. Avyukt, correct. Why Avyukt? What is it 1 by 5? Shreya, correct. Dhru, correct. What is it 1 by 5 Avyukt? Shreya. Oh, wow. Shreya has also answered that. Let's talk it out. 1 by 90 is not correct, Madhya. Okay, let's do, guys, okay? Meaning, yeah. There's nothing wrong in getting a wrong answer in this class, okay? We all learn by making mistakes. Lisa and Yellen are managers at Hobby Lobby, assuming that each manager has an equal chance of getting selected. What is the probability? They'll be selected out of 10 managers. Okay. See, they're just saying Lisa and Ellen are managers, assuming that each manager has an equal chance of being selected. What is the probability? They will be selected out of 10 managers for a special training. Okay. One thing is, how many number of ways are there? The order is not important. Both are managers, right? So it is going to be 10 choose 2 you can have, because order, I'm not considering order for the denominator. So numerator as well I cannot consider order. So this is the total number of ways without considering order. So numerator as well I cannot consider order. Total number of ways in which 2 people can be selected from 10 people is 10 choose 2. But numerator, I can only, meaning my numerator is, the favorable event is both of them getting picked. Right? I'm not considering order. So how many ways are there? How many favorable ways are there? Lisa and Ellen getting picked is the favorable way, and my order is not important. So 1 out of 10 choose 2. That will be 1 by 10 choose 2. Which is, what is 10 choose 2? 10 factorial by 8 factorial 2 factorial. So this is 9 times 10. This will be 5, 1 by 45. How did you get the 5, guys? Diya, you know what happened, Diya?
Yeah, I know where I messed up.
Oh, okay, good. How about the other, who had an incorrect answer? Did you get it, the others? Shreya, did you get it? What did you not get? Tell me.
I don't get why it's 10 choose 2. If it's like...
Okay, where did you put the 2? Tell me.
I did like each manager has an equal chance of being selected, and there are 10, so they each have 1/10 of a chance.
But I'm only picking 2, right? Each manager has an equal chance of being picked up.
But how many will be picked?
I can only pick two managers, right? Okay. Now, what is the total possibility for this manager to come? For the first manager, what is the number of assignments that I can have for the first manager? 10 people can be picked up. For the second one? 9. So how many total number of ways can two people be picked up?
Yeah, 1/45.
90, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In that, what are my favorable ways? Either Lisa Ellen or Ellen Lisa, correct? How many ways are there? 2 by 90. Make sense?
Yeah.
Probability is hard, ma. Meaning, it is difficult to bend your mind to think the way permutation combination works, but it is easy with practice. Can I stop here, guys? So, for this week, you will just work on part 4. Make sense? Any questions for me? Part 4 is only permutation combination, but please work on that. Okay. Do you have any questions for me? Okay. If not, can we stop here and next week we'll do dependent independent probability. Make sense? Yes, Shri, I'm here. If you have questions, please stay.
No, where are parts 1 through 3?
Oh, that was already assigned in class, right?
Yeah, but I couldn't see it.
Okay, I'll show you. Others, if you want, you can log off.
Bye.
Bye, ma.
Bye, Mr.
Bye, ma. Okay, now the question is for Shreya. Where do you find it? That's your question, right?
Yeah, I'm in classwork and I
Can you
tried
share your
it.
screen? Share your screen, I'll tell you. Are you sharing, ma? Yes, I can see. I'm going to stop the recording here.